Okay, we back. We are so back. What's up, Instagram? What's up, IG? What's up, YouTube? We live. Yeah. We live again. I'm trying to share the link to my uh my social media and see who will be interested in joining us today. Yesterday, I apologize. The comment was turned off. I didn't realize that that was the case. But today, the comment is open. So if you are watching right now, W's in the chat. All right. So give me a sec. We're going to be reviewing the charts and see what direction we are heading to today. What direction we are heading to today. Yep. All right. So I'm sharing my link to quickly. I'm sharing a link out. All right. So I already posted on Facebook, Instagram. Try to put that in my WhatsApp as well. And then let's get down to it. All right. So yesterday we did analyze. Start the way I do analyze the chart is that I start from seeing what the dollar is doing and seeing what decisions we're about to make. But right now, what I'm seeing, we're going to walk through that together right now and see how it goes. Are we still live, chat? All right. Okay, so let's get down to it. So the dollar, as at yesterday, had some crazy um, retracement back up, and this particular retracement has been. It was expected from our stream yesterday, but I didn't expect that to go as deep in. So my current position on U card is still in the negative, and any reaction from here will just determine what the dollar is going to do and how we are going to react to it. So yesterday we were here in this consolidation. This consolidation was broken, which is what we anticipated, right? So once we broke that, there was a retracement today to come back to this gap, and now it looks like we might be going up, right? So any break candle close above here is going to change my bias for a weaker dollar. It means uh it means we are going to have that go up from there. But if this holds, this resistance level does hold, that means we'll be looking at a weaker dollar from there. But trust me, this right now, it looks like a Fibonacci on this is going to give us something that looks like a perfect retracement. But overall time frame is what I'm going to be mindful of to see what happens here. If this resistance right here is going to work, then would have, although I anticipated this quite alright, but I'm still having this conflict of bias in my mind about whether the dollar is going to gain the strength back up. I anticipated this position right now, but I need one more confirmation for me to ascertain what direction I'm going to follow when it comes to the dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks like this, right? So two things I'm looking for right now. If we have this close above here, a body of candle close here, and maybe a retracement that doesn't make a new low here, then I will confirm that we are going up. If not, if this holds and we have a pushback and it couldn't make a new high and then we have a pushback, then the weaker dollar will come into play. But before that, we need to check what news is coming out today that might affect our perspective of what the market is going to be, and from there we'll be able to make our decisions. If you're watching right now, W's in the chart. W's in the chart. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm trying to get 100k followers, subscribers this year. All right, so today, what we got? Today, Tuesday, we have a red folder news by on AUD USD, which is the interest rates. The consensus previous was this, anticipating this. All right, expecting it to be higher. Higher should be good. Okay. Euro has a red folder news by in 20 hours. It's far away. But we have one on. Yeah, that's all we got. All right. So let's get back to the chart and see. So I'm not expecting this pull right now. Yeah, I'm not expecting this right now to break above here, and but there's a lot of things to grab here. So if this do happen, I would be looking to sell on most of the pairs that I'm in. So let's look at the first pair I'm in. I'm in GBP USD, right? GBP USD. This was where we were yesterday. Yesterday we are above this level, right? I did anticipate a uh, push down, then retracement, but the retracement here didn't take out this old high, right? So it's still not a confirmation for me to want to assume that we are now resuming the full retracement to the upside. So what I am looking at here, if this low should hold, I need my eclipse. This whole this low right here, is it going to hold now? And then we have made a new low and then maybe a higher low. But I will still need this guy to break above here, retrace before I can get any position on my bias. So that's what I'm looking at on GU basically. I'm also looking at AUD USD. Although I should have been in a buy, because from the stream yesterday, I was looking at this support area, right? If it breaks the supports, we are going all the way down. I don't want to know. But we didn't break that. We didn't break that support, right? It held, and at Asian session, I saw this, but I didn't want to get in. The last time I got in by just impulse, I got burnt in the market. So I was going to get in on that. So we already have this push here about 100 pips, bro. About 100 pips. That's my rent. So right now, this this week here is crazy. Why? It's happening on a psychological level. It's happening at a psychological level, and then it's weakening out. This usually will indicate that this might push down. So where do I expect this to push down to? Push down into the last time we have consolidation. If it makes an higher high again, then we might want to like join this up. But until that happens, any trade until until that happens, any trade taking will just be based on pure impulse. So a push down here to fail at this low, or even to like weak people out, then I'll be looking for a buy on AUD USD. U card. I'm already in a U card position, and I've been in drawdown for since 3 o'clock on Monday. I've been in this area, so I'm depending on dollar's weakness to confirm that this is going to be a short. If not, we'll take a loss on that and we'll let go. I'm not about to reanalyze this, but let's see what we saw. Let's try to see what we saw all over again. This gap was filled, but didn't successfully push down. It filled the second one that I did neglected, but it came back to 78.6 region, right? So open this, we hold, and then we push. My stop loss is just right above there. Okay, USD JPY. I'm going through this quickly because I did a full analysis yesterday, and I'm not about to change any of my bias. I still have the same bias in the market. So just to like see what we are doing. I didn't execute this USD JPY. I was anticipating some reactions from this area, but the dollar strength is not allowing us have such enjoyment right now. So I might just wait this out until I see confirmations. Also, my position on Euro USD that come to the level of my entry. If you were on the live yesterday, the market was above here, right? It's above my level of entry. There's still 78.60 to take down there. I might just set a buy order. When it comes back up, then we get in there. Stop loss will be right below here. So there are no signals for me to trade yet. I'm not getting into any position, not just yet, because it depends on what the dollar is about to do. So whatever the dollar